How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And this is my 2014 F150, and today it's got the 5.0 V8 in it. And today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Probably pretty simple, but I thought I'd just make a quick video. So that's our new Duralast Gold. It was the best one they had in stock at AutoZone. I don't know exactly the specs of this one. Is a 750 cold crane amps. I actually got an 850, so I guess I got a better one than what's on it from the factory. But basically what you're gonna do is there is a stud right here, and it holds a wedge down there, and you're gonna need a 5/16 right there, 5/16, and you're gonna put it on that guy and loosen that up. And there's these are kind of newer style batteries than what I'm used to. I'm used to place them on my semi trucks, but basically you're just gonna undo this this nut, and then this nut here, and those are an 8mm. So you're just gonna loosen these up. It's actually really easy, and then that should loosen these guys up. And we're gonna take our, I guess we'll pull these off. Loosen this one up. This is very simple, but it doesn't hurt to make a simple video, just in case somebody's wondering how easy it is to replace their battery on their 2014 or probably newer F150. Probably all pretty similar. Take this guy, and then it comes off just like that, and these are on here pretty good because this is a never had to mess with this thing before, so it should come off pretty easy. Of course, I say that as it's being a pain in the freaking butt. Okay, so we got that guy. This one does not want to come off. We're just gonna take a pry bar here and get this guy off. Help it out a little bit. There we go. And it pops off. Loosen this set bolt. I just noticed there's no strap to actually get this battery lifted up out of here. Alright, there's that guy out. There's this insulation blanket. I'm gonna probably put this one back on around the new battery, but I'm probably gonna get a new one of these. But for right now, I don't know if there's a reason why they put this in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it back on the new battery. So you got the new one in. We're gonna go and put this wedge with the stud back in. You should probably do this before you tighten down the leads. Just make sure you got it in place. Alright, I put it in backwards, so I had to take it back out and retighten it. Tighten that guy up. Make sure you're getting the right way. And I got some grease. And put on the leads. Got some of this. Basically, there's two little gaskets. Assuming the red will go on the positive and green will go on the negative. So there's a little bit of grease in here, and we'll just put it on the studs. See that these ones are kind of dirty. I'm not gonna put a whole lot on here, just enough to coat it. There we go. Wipe it on your pant leg or wherever. Get that all over there. That guy there. That one there. I'll go ahead and tighten the nuts back up. I'll do the negative. I'll do the positive. Truck's freaking out a little bit. That's fine. Tighten this guy up. All right. And then put this red boot back in there. Or back on here, where it's supposed to sit. And yeah, that's it. It's pretty simple. Just really need two sockets, an 8mm and a 5/16. And you know, this truck has about 100,000 miles on it, so it's the only issue I've ever had with the truck, believe it or not, other than doing brakes. I also did that on the channel. Just gotta do, I did the fronts, gotta do the rears. And this truck has jumped my semi trucks probably, I'd say probably 100 times in the last 5 years or so. So this battery is definitely, that battery actually did the job, did what it needed to do. I put it through a lot of stress, and yeah, so that's how you do it. All right guys, thanks for watching, have a good one.